Welcome to the 22nd episode of Dividend Investing Insights, your go to source for all things dividend investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, our channel provides insightful analysis, expert tips, and latest news to help you build a reliable income stream through dividends. Join us as we explore high yield shares, portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now to take care of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we'll continue to look at the portfolio that we have been building and see as to how it has progressed over the last 1 week. However, like always, we'll start with the performance of the markets for the week. Uh, it has been a tough week for the markets with the US Fed cuts being announced and markets all over the world going down. S&P 500 went down by 132 points to end at 5,930 points. Nasdaq too went down by a whopping 443 points to end at 19,572. And locally in Australia, ASX 2 went down by 229 points to end at 8,067 points or 2.76% lower. However, as I have always mentioned, the stock markets and share prices will go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should look at stocks and shares that are fundamentally strong and have the ability to grow the dividends now and in the future. Anyway, let's look at the portfolio, do a quick recap of the portfolio that we have and see as to how they are faring. So first buy was KDP, 50 shares at $37.46. The next was JP Morgan Chase. We bought 10 shares at $210.5. Then we bought AT&T 100 for 21.91. CVS Health 30 at $60.3. And lastly, we bought Unilever PLC 33 shares at 61.3 per share for a total investment of $10,002.76. Now, as I have mentioned before as well, this is a diverse portfolio. And if you are building a portfolio, build it with stocks that have diversity, that have the ability, companies that are fundamentally strong, where they have year-on-year revenue growth, year-on-year profit growth, have low impact of recession on any other market situation. Most importantly, should be diverse. So, if one of the industries or verticals is not doing well, the other one is able to support it and give us that diversity and continues to grow. So let's look at how they have progressed in the last 1 week. KDP ended at the week at 32.37 for an investment of a portfolio value of $1,618. JP Morgan Chase also went down to 37.6. AT&T also, it has been, if you look all around, all stocks have gone down, which is a reflection of the markets. However, the companies that we have are still strong and will grow in the future. So AT&T ended the week at 22.75. CVS Health went down further. Last week we had saw it go down to 49. It has gone down further to 44.36, which is a reflection of the law that is being passed in the US, where all pharmacies would be impacted. So the government is trying to build a model wherein the pharmaceutical companies and the consumers get this service directly without the use of the middleman, where CVS Health being one of them is impacted. But we'll see how it goes. CVS Health continues to be part of our portfolio and we'll run with this. Unilever PLC was more or less flat, 257.16 for the week, giving us a total portfolio value of 9,486. Well, that's not all. Since we started out, we have collected dividends of $87, which gives us a portfolio value of 9,573. While this is lower than our investment, however, this is just a short time. We have been in this for roughly 2 months, and as we progress, you will see that this will start to grow. Putting it pictorially, this is where it stands. Blue line is our investment, and the orange line is where our value is. You'll see soon it will go up. Anyway, as we end the episode, have a look at some of the dividends that are coming our way. KDP is paying out on 17th Jan a dividend of 23 cents. JP Morgan Chase is paying out on 31st Jan $1.25 per share, and AT&T is paying out on 3rd of Feb 27.75 cents per share. For the next quarter, CVS Health and Unilever PLC have still not announced what their ex-dividend, the dividend amount would be. and we'll see what they announce and then decide our next move. Well, that's the end of the episode. Putting the dividend investing checklist again. Do you understand the company's business? What's the dividend and dividend yield for the current year? What's the average dividend for the past 5 years? What's the payout ratio? What's the PE ratio? What's the PB ratio? How is the revenue growth? How is the profit growth? And most importantly, does the company have positive cash flow? Um, Use this for all your investments and um, continue to invest any spare income that you have, which will help you build wealth in the future. Well, that's the end of the episode today. I look forward to talking to you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.